Have you ever wondered who invented the pressure cooker and why? In the heart of the 17th century, a man named Denis Papin, born in France in 1647, was captivated by the world around him. His curiosity led him to the world of science, where he became a physicist and mathematician. As he delved deeper into his passion, he discovered a way to cook food faster and more evenly by sealing it in a pot and trapping steam. This concept became the foundation for his groundbreaking invention, the pressure cooker. Papin spent countless hours experimenting with designs and materials to create a pot that could tolerate the high pressure from trapped steam. After numerous attempts, he finally created a functioning prototype. His invention was met with awe by his peers. They were fascinated by the efficiency and effectiveness of the pressure cooker. Papin knew he had created something revolutionary. However, due to the lack of established patents and intellectual property rights at the time, Papin faced challenges in securing his invention and making a profit. Additionally, the pressure cooker was a concept ahead of its time. The public was hesitant to embrace this new and unfamiliar cooking method. Moreover, the intricate engineering and craftsmanship required to produce the pressure cooker made it expensive to manufacture. Despite his innovative invention, Papin struggled financially. He moved to London in hopes of better opportunities but continued to face hardships. He spent the rest of his life working on his inventions and scientific research, but unfortunately he remained largely unrecognized. While Papin may not have gained the recognition he deserved in his lifetime, his invention of the pressure cooker has revolutionized cooking around the world. It has made cooking quicker, easier, and more enjoyable for millions of home cooks. His pioneering spirit and inventiveness continue to inspire future generations of inventors and innovators. So remember, when you're using your pressure cooker, you're not just preparing a meal. You're partaking in a piece of history, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. To use a pressure cooker, you start by gathering and preparing your ingredients. You then place them in the cooker with a liquid, seal the lid securely, and select the appropriate pressure and time settings. After starting the cooking process, you release the pressure either naturally or quickly before unlocking and opening the pressure cooker. Finally, you serve the dish and enjoy the fruits of your labor, all thanks to the genius of Denis Papin. Remember the story of Denis Papin's pressure cooker. It's a reminder that innovation knows no bounds and daring to dream can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join our community for more inspiring stories about science and its practical applications. Until next time, happy cooking!